Welcome to the Comprehensive Google Sheets Masterclass. I'm excited to welcome you to this course as you learn the fundamentals of Google Sheets, sync data from Google Forms to Google Sheets, and to analyze the data in real time with formulas and functions. Also, with an in-depth lesson on pivot tables and the creation of dashboards to solve real business problems. My name is Benga Oyebaju, a Google certified data analyst. I have led and helped a ton of corporations take data-driven decisions in their quest to improve their business models. This course is designed for anyone starting out with Google Sheets and data analysis. At the end of the course, you will be able to manipulate, analyze, visualize, and present data for quality decision making. We will be solving real business scenario of Prime Tech Academy, an EdTech company with branches across the globe. Recently, they are having customer dissatisfaction problem. Our method will be to collect data from their clients, sync the data to Google Sheets, analyze and present a data-driven solution. You will be glad to learn Google Sheets in this practical step-by-step approach. The ideal student for this course is anyone starting out with Google Sheets or anyone starting out with Excel. We also welcome anyone that wants to take their data analysis to the next level. Also, anyone that wants to improve their work status and gain more recognition at work or from potential employers. Data analysis skills is a core in today's world of work. There are no requirements necessary for this course. We only ask that you come with open mind and be ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description, and I'll be looking forward to meet you in the course. Thank you.